Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. As you can see here, I have another package. If you watched my video a couple days ago, you probably know what this is, but cover with the packing label. Just got this in the mail, so let's go ahead and open it up. And this actually seems to be packaged well, unlike the other item that was just like this that I ordered. Go ahead and pull it out. Don't get packing peanuts everywhere. Here it is. This is a Notifier ACPS-610 power supply. Now you may be thinking, didn't you already get one of these? The one I got a couple of weeks ago was an ACPS, which is the power supply that powers the CPU and everything for my 3030. This one actually powers NAC circuits. So these terminals right here actually supply power to 4 different NAC circuits for horn strips to go on. Has a completely separate AC power input and all that stuff. So yeah. I'm not going to really explain in this video how it connects to the system, what all the inputs and outputs are for, and specifically what it's used for. That's for a separate video. So yeah, this is just a short unboxing. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time.